Okay, what's going on, guys? It's Q and KZ from ActsAirsoft, and today we have a quad unboxing. We're trying a new mic thing, so just ignore the mic right here. But yeah, these three came from Airsoft GI, and this came from, I'll put it in the description. But let's go ahead and open everything up. So, this package right here was, I believe, $18, and that includes shipping. And what we have is a battery, actually, which is very well packed. So we have a 11.1 volt 1800 milliamp LiPo battery, and I only paid $11 for this, so that's why I'll put the link in the description for those of you who want to pick up one of these. This one was from Airsoft GI, and I really think it was around, let's say like $50, something like that. And in this one we have a LiPo charger, packing slip. We have a dual pistol mag pouch and a triple M4 mag pouch, and that is all for that one. So we'll get on to this one. This one I actually just got in the mail like 5 minutes ago. So, and this one was, I believe, $100. It was actually $150, but after all of the discount codes and whatnot, I got paid $100 for everything in it and 3-day shipping, which is why I suggest you buy it from Airsoft GI. Highly suggest you buy it from them, because they're so much better. Alright, so, whoa! Okay, so we have a lot of pamphlets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pamphlets. I don't know what that's all about. Order form. We have a spring guide that I ordered for my gun. A dual M4 mag pouch, which is going to go on the back of my vest as buddy mags. Oh, this thing's huge. An admin pouch. This thing's ginormous. A Condor. I'm actually really interested to see this. Condor roll-up dump pouch. Pretty nice. And I got that for the next item. So that's everything in this box. A box set of Elite Force kneecaps. Holy jeez. These are nice. So yeah, we got 10 of them. I'll just show you real quick. And that's why I have a lot of pouches and whatnot. So we have that. And then on to the last box. I actually got this a couple weeks ago, but I decided to box it back up for the video just to have it in the box. Just for fun. Go. Apologize if this is really loud. We're trying the new mic setup. But there we go. Okay. So in this box we have a gun. Packing slip. And there we go. Let's just get this out of the way. So this is the JG 416. Go ahead and open this up. Not gonna do like a whole review thing, but quality control from GI. Let's see here. Whoa. Okay. So it comes with a lot of stuff. Can't get it out. There we go. And actually, I'm gonna test out this mag real quick. See if it actually works. Probably will, but oh yeah, that works great. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I know the peck's on the bottom, but I'm gonna fix that eventually. So yeah, there we are. I got 2. Throw that in there. And then a battery and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up everything. This was quite a big unboxing. So got that, gun, pump pouch, more pouches, more pouches, more pouches, even more pouches, battery, LiPo charger, and a spring guide. So this is everything. It's probably around like, let's see, 170. It's probably around like $300, $400 for all this. I wouldn't say 4, maybe $350 at most. But yeah. So that's the end of this unboxing. I've got a lot to clean up over there, so yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.